Hi, let us talk about personality today. This is the subject matter which is very close to our heart, especially for those who want to give a good flight to their career. It's a very big market, my dear friend. Everybody is waiting for you to go to him so that he could develop your personality. Okay? My concern is that please do not fall in trap of those who cannot do anything for your personality. Because personality is a matter of core. It is never superficial. Personality is never there on the surface. It is you what you are. So what you will have to do is that you will have to develop your inner self. And that will not come for the coaching classes of 15 days or 1 month. You will have to try and practice it day by day. You develop your personality. Okay? Now listen to me very carefully. I'll tell you 4 major aspects of a pleasant personality. What you really want is that you want a pleasant, acceptable personality so that people accept you and you get success. Okay? Now start noting down. The first attribute starts from the letter P. Always bear a positive attitude. Never ever jump into negative conclusions. Whatever comes in front of you, maybe an information, maybe a thing, try to analytically decide whether it is good or bad for you. Chanakya said, Yukti yuktam bachograhyam baladapi sukadapi. Yuktihinam bachotejyam bruddhadapi sukadapi. So you should always accept the fact and you should reject the wrongs. Right? And you should not be scared of night. Night is there because day is going to come. You should not make yourself lost in the darkness of light. जो अंधेरे में खो गया उसको कुछ नहीं मिलता, खोने वाले को कुछ नहीं मिलता, तलाश करने वाले को तो भगवान भी मिल जाते हैं, है ना? तलाश करने वाले को भगवान भी मिल जाते हैं. So never get lost in the darkness of night. Always search for the light of the day. See, there are 3 characters in every human being. Okay? Number 1 is Dev. Number 2 is Manav. And number 3 is Danav. So there is Dev, Manav, Danav. All 3 are there inside us. What you try to do is that always try to put your Dev quality in front of you so that people see you in Dev's quality. So you are always a Manav, but try to put the good Manav quality in. And always push back that Danav behind you. Never ever allow that Danav to come in front of you. Okay? So you should bear a positive mindset. Number 2, why? Why for yard stick? Map dand. You should always have a map dand yardstick to measure your goal. You set your own yardstick, how much you want to grow and how much you can grow. Okay? And the third one, audit. A for audit. You should always audit what wrong or what right you did. Remember 3 W's, WWW and WWW. What went well? क्या आपने अच्छा किया? Whatever you did well, try to nourish it further. What went wrong? Whatever wrong you did, try to know it and try to discard the wrong. Okay? Then the fourth one is result. Try to be focused on your result. Do not get jumbled up in wants. Human wants are unlimited. Aseem hota hai, you will never satisfy a human want. So try to focus on your need, the need of the hour. Go on achieving success on your need of hour. And you will march on towards your want, your goal. You have to do your work with utmost sincerity, utmost hard work, utmost faith, so that you achieve result. Remember, the result is not in your hand. If you are focused on result with every work that you do, whenever you do not get a result, you will be distracted. You will be away from your track. Okay? You always know that very beautiful sloka from Bhagavad Gita. Okay? Chapter number 2, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, slok number 47. कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्म फल हेतुर्भुः मा ते संगोस्त्व कर्मणि. God loves you so much, my dear. You just go on doing your work. God is there, He never deceives. He will definitely give you good results. So, wish you a very pleasant, happy, acceptable personality. Wish you all the success. Jai Hind.